How's it going, YouTube? Finally made time to make a video of this truck. I'm building this for my dad. It's a 1954 Chevy 5-window 3100 half-ton. It was just tired on the old chassis, and not that it didn't run, it was just old. And Dad wanted it more drivable, so here we are. We're putting it on a 1984 regular cab long box S10 frame. Paired it up with a 2002 Avalanche 5.3 engine. It's gonna have a GT45 turbo on it. Just have to modify the connector pipe there. It hits the frame rail as expected. Got a 4L80E out of a 2002 Savannah van, two-wheel drive 2500. And a custom drive shaft made for us by Lindsay Driveline here in Ontario, Canada. Been doing lots of work over the winter, but as of lately, back to work. I work seasonally. I own a construction company. I take the winters off to do builds, but this season, Dad wanted his truck done, and I've been wanting to do this for 20 years, ever since he bought this thing. Pretty cool. And it's also cool that I get to teach my dad some things for once. He's taught me so much over the years, but one thing he's not handy with is cars. It's like the only thing he doesn't know. Everything else he's got it, but when it comes to vehicles, not his forte. So finally, for once in my life, teaching him something, which is a cool experience. But yeah, this is it. We got it rolling on Beamer wheels. This was a lowrider truck we picked up locally. It was a show truck. It needed a motor. I got it for a great deal. Really clean frame, had a lot of parts I needed. This is what I'm here for today. I'm gonna get the water pump, dipstick tube, try to get thermostat housing, belt tensioner, all that good stuff on so I can continue on. Got some seats out of a Subaru Legacy. He just wanted black and leather. Dad gets what he wants. Some more parts here, intercooler piping, coil packs and such. Pretty much have everything for the build, just gotta find time to put this all together. I have my son bi-weekly, so the weeks I have him out here tinkering and just teaching him. He's 11, it's pretty funny. He's a gamer, but he still loves to learn. But the weeks I don't have him, I get here as much as I can, so. Hopefully have this done for my dad's birthday in June, which is coming up soon. End of June, June 28th is his birthday. So yeah, thanks for watching. Gonna have some more videos of this coming up, and it's gonna be a pretty cool build. Got all the parts, so we're not gonna be waiting for too much. I'll make as many videos as I can and keep you guys posted. This is gonna be badass.